what's up? Today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a whole bunch of makeup that I've received over the past few days. I have drugstore makeup, I have high-end makeup, I have a new brand that's going to be featured in Sephora, so I'm really excited to share all this good stuff with you guys. So let's just get right into this. Actually, the first thing I want to share with you guys, I actually bought myself, and I was going to do a whole separate video on this, but since this was just a limited edition collection, I figured there wouldn't be really a point of doing a video on this because you can't get it if you wanted to anyways. And this is from Jaclyn Cosmetics. I was really excited for her launch, and I was on the website right when it went on sale, actually a little bit before everything went on sale, and what I wanted just sold out so fast. So I ended up getting, I think it was like the Lip Love set. It came with 3 liquid lipsticks and a gloss. And I've actually used one of the liquid lipsticks in a video that I did on Instagram. I'll put a little clip of it right here. And I used the gloss, and I could give a little review on these guys. The liquid lipsticks are super matte. They dry down really fast. So if you're really into a matte lip, then maybe she's gonna come out with more of these liquid lipsticks, and I'm sure the formula will be the same. The scent smells really good. It was kind of like a cherry scent. And then the gloss, I was kind of like, oh, like I'm really not into gold glosses. I did put the gloss over the matte lipstick, and it made the lipstick, the matte lipstick, just way more comfortable. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And let me know in the comments below if you guys got anything from the Jaclyn Cosmetics launch, the Valentine's one. I'm excited to see what else she puts out because we all know what happened with those fuzzy ass lipsticks. The first package that I received is from Armani Beauty, and this is one of my favorite brands. Sorry, I'm trying to get this open. My dog ate pretty much everything because I had all my packages down below, and I can't open this now. No! How cute, she sent a little pop socket. But these are her new Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliners, and she came out with the shade yellow and blue. I love the packaging. Each one is the color of the eyeliner. So I'm gonna do a little swatch. Whoa! Oh, okay. That's not messing around right there. It's really, I'll show you guys. Just like one little swipe, how pigmented it is. It's crazy. This is my first time opening it, and then I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand, and let's see the pigment. Woo, that is so pretty. I just went off and put a bunch of them, but I don't have a yellow eyeliner. I think that's so cool, so I cannot wait to use these. Next up is from Benefit, and I am a part of Benefit's Club Pink, so super cool. They send a bunch of new stuff and goodies to me all the time. Sometimes I'm like, how the heck did I get on this PR list? But I'm so fortunate for it. They sent over a professional primer, which is one of my ultimate favorites. And then they also sent over a new makeup setting spray that I have been using, and I love it. Let me go get it. It's over on my vanity. This is the Professional Super Setter Makeup Setting Spray. I love this spray. Over on my Instagram the other day, I did some stories and compared them with other setting sprays like the Urban Decay All Nighter, just, you know, staple makeup setting sprays. And the mist that comes out of this spray is just unlike any other that I've ever tried. I don't know if it'll pick it up on camera, but let's see. Let's see. Do you guys see just like how beautiful this spray comes out? And there's actually like a powder in it, but it doesn't show like spots on your face whatsoever. And when I'm a little bit shiny, which I am right now in my T-zone, I spray this on after a few hours of my makeup being on. Okay, it's drying down, but I love it, and I'm pretty sure this is my new favorite makeup setting spray. It's so bomb, and they make a mini size too, so if you don't want to commit to the full size, try the mini, and I guarantee you'll be back for the big one. Next up is from this brand called Indeed Laboratories, and they sent me over these 2 tinted lip treatments. The pink one I've already been using, that's why the packaging is open. But it's just a tinted lip balm, and it feels just so good on your lips. Like I said, I have been using the pink one. I haven't tried the red yet, but It doesn't even give you that much of a color, which I like, just like a barely there pink. I'm sure the red is a little more pigmented, but I really like the feeling it gives. I am a lipstick lip balm fanatic. They are free of so many things. They're fragrance free, silicone free, phosphate free, mineral free, vegan, not tested on animals, alcohol free. So I have to check out what else this brand has, but so far I'm really loving these lip treatments from them. I have a couple of packages from Pop Beauty, and my dog, you guys, has already got to this one. I'm okay with because it's just the cardboard he got to, but still. So they sent over this Plump Pout Volumizing Gloss. And they also sent over, which is super cute, a couple of these lip patches. I've seen a few people use these already and they look so cute. They're shaped in like a lip shape and I love my lips, as you can tell. And then it also came with this liquid lip color that my dog got to this too, but he did not harm the product. I haven't opened this, but this is a super hot pink liquid lipstick and I always smell stuff, I don't know why, but I will swatch it for you guys. I have not used Pop Beauty's liquid lipsticks before. The plumping gloss, I like that gloss, it's really good. A package they sent me a couple months ago came with the plumping gloss, but the clear one, and it's a really good gloss. So I'm excited to try this other one out, this pink one. Let's open it up, since Dexter's already kind of opened it. I love the packaging too of these glosses because it's just so thin and it fits in your purse so good. I wasn't expecting it to be that pigmented, but it's really pigmented. It would look so good on top of this liquid lipstick. And they also sent me over some really cute nail polishes, and I'm a little late, it's past Valentine's Day, but these look like they were for Valentine's Day, just the colors that they are. Super, super cute. Makes me want to give myself a pedicure because I don't go and get pedicures. I like giving them to myself. So really excited to try out those colors, and that is everything from Pop Beauty. Next up is from a brand called Merit, and I have not tried anything out yet, and they're all about just less is more, which is super cool for a makeup brand because you don't need this full face of makeup to be beautiful. And so I really like that that's what the brand stands behind. And it's so cute. They sent everything in this really cool little pouch. This is a tinted lip oil, which we were just talking about how I love my lip oils and lip balms. It looks so pretty. I wanna try it. I have like everything on my lips right now, but oh well. It feels so good. Wow, feels really nice on the lips. And then there is a mascara, eyebrow gel, a highlighting balm. Ooh, I kinda wanna try this. Let's try this highlighting balm. Okay, it's super creamy and it just gave me the most beautiful glow. Let's even it out on this side. I really like too that it's in a stick like this. It makes it really easy to apply and then just blend out with your fingers. Do you guys see that glow? And it did not take off my other makeup that I had on over this, so that's really good. It just gave me like a really pretty, just like glow from within glow. I really like it. There's a blending brush and then a stick foundation. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to do an oily skin test on this foundation. You know I love doing my oily skin foundation reviews, so let me know if you guys want to see that from this brand. And then there is a Flush Balm cheek color. So this is it. It just looks like a cream blush. Should we try it? We should try it a little. Okay, it's really pigmented right off the bat, so I'm just gonna use a little bit and blend it into the other blush that I'm already wearing. But as you can see, just like a couple little dabs, how pigmented it is, and it's really nice, just really soft on the skin. I think I'm gonna do just a whole makeup look using all these products. I don't know if I'm gonna do it here on YouTube, but if you guys want me to, let me know. If not, then for sure Instagram. So check them out. Let me know if you guys want me to do a whole makeup look on this brand, and I will. I got you guys. Next up, I'm a little late on it, but this is from Dragon Beauty, and it is the birthday collection. Nikita Dragon just celebrated her 21st birthday, which I thought she was older than that, but maybe it's just because I'm just an old lady. Who knows? In it is another eyeshadow palette, and I did do a review on her first eyeshadow palettes. I'll link it right here for you guys if you want to watch my review on it. And one of the palettes I really liked, the other one was kind of like eh. And there are 3 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. This black in here just looks super just opaque, and sometimes it's hard to find a really dark, true black eyeshadow, so that one looks bomb. And then there are 3 glosses. They're called Crystal, Sus, and Unbothered. I love her liquid lipstick, so I'm really excited to try these glosses. I would try them right now, but I have so much on my lips, so I'm not gonna go there. And what I really love about her lip products is just the component they come in. And this clear gloss just looks so sick. It just looks so like sleek and sexy. I don't know, I love her lip products. So I do have a discount code if you guys are interested in anything from Dragon Beauty, and it is hippie in all caps. So if you have not checked out anything from her, or if you just want to save some money, use my code. Next up is from Morphe, and I actually got 2 packages from them, and the first one was a bunch of brow products from them. Once again, Dexter got to everything, so sorry. There is a brow powder, and then 2 brow pencils. There is a brow setting gel. You guys, look at this packaging. This is embarrassing, but he didn't get, oh no, he did. Little jerk. But this is a clear brow gel. And then there is a highlighting stick to define your brows more and give them a little bit of a highlight. I wanna see what it looks like. Oh wow. So it's pretty much just like a pencil, and I'll do a little swatch for you guys. See if it shows up. It's really on the goldish side. And then the last thing that Morphe sent me is some skincare, and this is from Morphe 2. This is a detox face mask, and then a lippy lullaby lip mask. Ooh, I am just so excited for all these lip products, you guys. Ooh, look at it. It looks really good. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a lip balm favorites or just ones that I've tried, because I have seriously tried so many. So let me know if you guys want to see that or not. And then there is this Bad Habit for Skincare Essentials. This must be another brand that they're selling. I do have a discount code for Morphe as well too, and you could save $5 off of your $10 or more purchase, and it is just GlamFam1171. So use that code if you guys want to save some money at Morphe. And then the last package is from one of my favorite brands. They're so nice and good to me. It is from Galactic. They sent me over some of their jelly gloss bombs, which I am obsessed with. Again, I am obsessed with lip products, so I try a lot of them, and these are some of my favorite formulas ever. They came out with 3 different shades, and the original one, I love it. It's just so pink and girly and beautiful. And the other ones just are, I'll show you guys the little card up close so you can see all the colors. I have one of these everywhere, in my purse, on my vanity, right by my bed, and I use it all the time. It's such a good lip balm. It's so good, you guys. And I do have a discount code for Galactic as well, and it is hippie. So if you guys want to check these out and other things, then make sure to use my code. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon with Galactic, so be on the lookout for that, and you could win my top 5 favorite products from them. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, thank you to Galactic for sending me all these goodies. Okay, so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I don't think I've ever done a PR unboxing video on my channel before, so we'll see if you guys like it or not. I hope you do. And again, I am just so grateful and thankful that these brands even send me this stuff, or just let alone recognize little old me. So I just had to share with you guys, and that's why I love doing these reviews as well. Even though these brands send me stuff, I am always giving you guys my honest review on everything. So Thanks again for all your love and support. I hope you guys have the best day ever. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.